everybody, it's Taz. Welcome back to the Wig Studio One YouTube channel. Today we're going to take a look at a new Raquel Welch style for fall 2024. This one is called Cruise Control. It's in the color Shaded Ice Latte Macchiato, which is RL1723SS. Remember, you can find this right here at Wig Studio One. If you drop below the video, expand the description box, there'll be a direct product link to this style. If you click on that link, it'll take you to the site. You can see all of the colors and the pricing. We invite you to shop at Wig Studio One. If you have any questions for us, please reach out to support@wigstudio1.com. And this one is more of a smooth, more of a sophisticated bob style cut. It's hand tied, guys. It is going to be gorgeous. There it is in the box. So let's take a look at the inside of this cap first. It's a beauty, guys, hand tied. There is your extended lace front, and there is a seam that adjoins to the single monofilament top. You can definitely see through to the illusion of scalp, and that seam seems to be a little softer, a little better integrated to where you're not getting this stark seam that will be apparent from the outside. Stretchy hand-tied panels, extended felted nape with Velcro adjusters. Now you will see some integrated wefting there in the back. This is to give it some structure and support. Well done cap by Raquel Welch. So while we have this one out, let's discuss this color, RL1723SS. It's a very ashy color. It's ash on ash. So a medium ash blonde. It has some pale ash blonde highlighting in there. And if I'm right, perhaps a little bit of platinum around the face just to lighten and brighten it up. And it does have a medium root that blends beautifully. This is a great transition color if you're looking at going from blonde to a gray. There's no gray in this, but it is very ashy. Oh, wow. Look at that. Right out of the box, guys. I just gave it a shake. A modern bob cut. You can see that it's razored on the ends. That gives it a nice wispy modern movement. That front piece is going to be 11 inches. So there's very little layering on the front. That means you're going to have to work at it to style it in a way to keep it out of the face. Now, if you wanted to trim in a fringe or a straight across bang, I don't think that would be any problem. The roots on this are directioned forward so that you can do that without any problem getting that to lay flat for you. So you can see right away, it's just an effortless mid-length polished style bob. Very easy to manage because now if it were me, I would be putting a little contour right at the front. But again, you do not have to do that. Now the density on this one is an average density. The manufacturer's descriptions say it's a light density. Again, I think that is just a very relative term because I feel like there's still quite a bit of hair here. So let's just call it a nice average density. But the way that the cut is done, it just looks very wispy. Now it does have a slight under flip, and that's going to give it that classic look. It's going to look like it has some buoyancy to it and some volume. So managing to get up on that lace front, you can see they run the highlight right up. And again, that looks to be more ash platinum. Just a little bit in there to soften that front. And then we have that mono top that you can part it anywhere you like. You see that this naturally wants to come in and crowd the face. But it's just a blank slate ready for your touch. Now this is a hand-tied cap, and so there's no permatease, none of the traditional permatease on this. So this volume, the voluminous look that you're seeing here is just done by the contour of the fiber. Much less dense than some of the other bobs by Raquel Welch, for instance, Portrait Mode, something like that. I feel like this is going to be a little bit more modern looking. A little bit of a lighter density compared to that one. Can I get a tuck? Yeah, I can get a tuck. I think it's sustainable. I think it would stay behind the ear and look natural. It weighs about 4.7 ounces, so it is still considered really nice lightweight. It feels very light on the head. Now this cap fits me average. Again, I had to cinch it in just a little bit to accommodate my petite average circumference.